Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you could restore Windows Photo Viewer. So probably you have been trying to open your photos, it doesn't work, it shows you a lot of errors, or you have deleted it or disinstalled it by error. So all what you will have to do guys, you will find the link in the video description. From there you will have to download this little folder or this little software called um, Restore Windows Photo Viewer. It's a registry key. You will have just to click on it 2 times. Windows will ask you if you really want to allow the application to make changes to your device. You can always show more details to check the publisher. I have downloaded it from Microsoft Windows website. You will have just to click yes, and this will say adding information can unintentionally change or delete values and cause the component to stop working correctly. If you do not trust the source of the software in blah 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 blah, do not add it to the registry. I can suggest to you, if you don't trust this video, you can always do a scan of your antivirus to see if it's working. So if there is any virus, so you will just click yes, we are sure, and the keys and value contained have been successfully added to the registry. This is the latest message which will show. We'll just click OK, and then you can just go and try. After that you can straight go and try to open any photo from your desktop, and here the option should show. So here you can see Windows Photo Viewer. I have it now. I will just click OK, and as you can see guys, I have the Windows Photo Viewer back. I hope this video tutorial is helpful to you. If you still have the problem appearing, you can always try a restart and this should solve the problem. If the problem doesn't get solved and you still get problems or errors, you can always send us an email or leave us a comment with the error code, and we will reply to you, and we will do our best to help you. If you would like, you can always encourage us to make more video tutorials by clicking like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.